In today's video, we explore the top 5 best cordless electric drills and rotary tools of 2026. Whether you need a powerful drill for construction, a compact screwdriver for home repairs, or a precision rotary tool for DIY crafts, these tools offer excellent performance, durability, and versatility. Let's discover the best options for professionals, hobbyists, and everyday users. Number 5. DEKO Rotary Tool Kit Power Hand Rotary Tools. The DEKO Rotary Tool Kit is a complete solution for cutting, grinding, polishing, engraving, and sanding applications. Featuring a reliable motor and multiple accessories, it adapts to a wide range of materials including wood, metal, and plastic. Its ergonomic design enhances user comfort during extended use. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and workshop users, this versatile Number 4. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill. The ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill Rotary Tool is designed for precision work and creative DIY projects. Its lightweight cordless design makes it easy to handle, while the rechargeable battery provides portability and convenience. Perfect for drilling, engraving, polishing, sanding, and crafting, it works effectively on wood, plastic, aluminum, and other materials. Hobbyists, makers, and model builders will appreciate its accuracy and versatility for detailed work. Number 3. PATUOPRO 2-in-1 Cordless Electric Drill. The PATUOPRO 2-in-1 Cordless Electric Drill combines drilling and screwdriving functions in a compact, user-friendly design. Equipped with a 10mm chuck and a high-efficiency brushless motor, it provides smooth performance for everyday projects. Compatibility with Makita 18V batteries adds convenience and flexibility. Whether assembling furniture, performing household maintenance, or completing DIY projects. Number 2. Brushless Cordless Impact Drill 150 Nm Torque. Built for demanding applications, this brushless cordless impact drill delivers up to 150 Nm of torque and 1300 Nlb of power. The half-inch chuck and dual-speed transmission provide versatility across different materials and tasks. Its brushless motor ensures reduced wear, improved efficiency, and longer runtime. Ideal for contractors, installers, and serious DIY enthusiasts. Number 1. 13mm Cordless Electric Impact Drill Brushless Handheld Drill. This powerful 13mm cordless impact drill features a brushless motor designed for efficiency and longer service life. With 23 torque settings, it delivers precise control for drilling and fastening tasks. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers flexibility for users already invested in the Makita ecosystem. Its compact design, strong performance, and reliable These 5 cordless drills and rotary tools offer outstanding performance, versatility, and reliability for both professional and DIY applications. From heavy-duty drilling to detailed engraving and polishing, each tool brings unique advantages. Choose the model that best matches your needs and take your projects to the next level.